and today I have another video for you guys.
And Jax.
And today we're going to be making some slime. What you're going to be needing is some Elmer School Glue,
Shaving cream,
lotion, food coloring if you want it to be dyed,
and some soap, and borax for them. So, first just get glue. Just get a jug of glue, or it doesn't need to be a jug, it can just be a little bottle. If you have a bottle, use the whole thing. So you're just gonna go like that and pour a bit in. I should use a bit that much. So now,
now we're going to add some food coloring.
No, you add 1 pump of shaving cream.
Well, we don't have 1 cup.
I said 1 pump. And now you're just gonna mix well. Wait until you can't even see the shaving cream, and that's how you will know it's perfectly stirred.
Now we're going to be adding
1 pump.
1 pump of some liquid soap.
Like not even. Like I'm gonna show you what it should look like. You should just have like 1 blob of clearness in your slime.
Now we're going to be adding
And now you
some
can
lotion.
mix it good.
And lotion.
After that, just add a bit of lotion
And mix that up.
and then mix well.
Now we're going to be adding our food coloring. I'm going to be adding some pink. You're just going to be probably just going to be needing like half a drop of red or 2 drops. Hopefully it comes out pink.
1, 2, 3.
Of blue.
I'm just gonna add. Yeah, you just need to mix well.
I love my pink. It's so pretty.
Mine looks like gum toothpaste color. The more you add of food coloring, the darker it'll be, just to give you a tip for your color.
Now we're going to be adding our activator, borax and water.
So while you're adding that, slowly stir while doing. Wait until it starts to come off the side. I think we need a bit more borax in, because it looks like there's no more borax in now.
Yes, and when you mix the borax, you need a mix it really well.
I know water usually borax burns your hand, but it's mixed with water, so you guys shouldn't really care if you do it that much. You guys shouldn't really care.
There's too much juice.
It's not too much. So Sophia, can you just pour a bit in for me?
Yeah.
Now look at mine quickly and see how it's coming off the sides? That's
And
how
mine.
you know your slime's perfect.
And you can knead it.
So, try the slime at home, because it turns out really good. I did the slime a lot.
Yep. You need to knead it to make sure it's nice and mixed there together.
So mine looks like it needs a bit more. If
I'll add
you
a
want, you can just go like that and add some in, and then just go like this and play with it. So my slime's not perfect yet.
Not mine either.
Mine's too soft.
Now we're going to be adding a little bit of lotion. Well, Jack's isn't, but I am, to make mine smoother. His isn't ready yet.
No, just that mine's too soft.
So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe this video and smash that like button and put on notification. Bye guys!